Hi guys, welcome back again to my video tutorial. In this video, I show you how to create a program using nested for loop. So let's go. So here, I already prepare our program. This program is to print a triangle pattern using nested for loop. So we have rows assigned to 5. Number, this shows number of rows in the triangle. This means we want 5 lines of stars. And for I and range parenthesis 1 comma rows plus 1 is outer loop controls the number of rows, so it repeats once for every line. For J and range parenthesis I is inner loop controls the number of stars per row. So print stars, the number of stars increases each time. So print parenthesis this print stars in the same line, means don't go to new line yet. It keeps printing stars in one row. So print parenthesis, this means moves to the next line after finishing a row. Insert, the outer loop controls how many lines there are, and the inner loop controls how many stars are printed per line. So we're going to run this program, and the output is this. We have 5 rows of stars, and different amount of stars are printed per line. So these are program for nested for loop. And thank you.